A lot of brothers have been asking on a video tutorial how to tie the shimagh.
So today I'll be doing a hijab tutorial for you guys.
So the first thing, you take your shimagh,
the scarf,
and you bend it. So you break, you leave a little piece here.
You just want to fold it a little bit.
You make sure you get the corner, you put it behind you,
like so.
and you bring it with the sides backwards.
And you put it around.
So one side, the other side.
And put it over our head.
Now, what you do is, you're gonna take the first side.
And one side is going to be longer than the other.
Take it from the top, bring it down.
Down from here.
And take it to the other side. Tuck it in.
Like this, folding them in.
Then you go back for your other side, bring it up from up top.
And then just turn it over as well.
Bring it down.
Down from here.
And then take it back up top.
Pull it right up.
Once you're done, like the crown of the Arab, you make your imama.
and I just style it a little.
This is a Shar'i imama because it has laf and tail.
So it just looks like that.